Hello everyone. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Anjali Grover. तो नवरात्रि की शुरुआत हो चुकी है इंडिया में. Happy Navratri to all of you. Navratri is the festival of goddess Durga, who is the daughter of mountains. Colors that are there for 9 days are different, and I'm gonna be doing all of those colors makeup looks on my channel, and you'll be seeing outfit looks also on my reels. If you don't follow, please follow me on Instagram and do subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon to get notified for my videos. So the color today is yellow, which is set to bring brightness, happiness and cheer in our life. To know how I got this look, let's get started with the video. We'll be starting with my eye makeup first, and for that I'll be using this Nykaa concealer palette, and we'll be taking that first shade, and with the help of this PAC concealer brush. Oh my god, I love this brush. This brush has been my favorite go-to concealer brush. Just on days when I don't wear foundation, I just take this and the concealer with me and I'm sorted. This just makes it blending so easily. So I'll be applying the concealer all over my eyelid. You can see I'm just patting it on my eyelids and I'm making sure that it's set properly and it's blended. Then I'll be setting my eye base with this Maybelline Fit Me Loose powder. I don't remember the shade. I'll be mentioning all of the product details below in the description box. Just in case if you're using the shade to apply all over your lids, then make sure that you don't set your base with a loose powder. I'll be using this Morphe James Chance palette, which is finally available on Nykaa, and I'll be using the shade code James, and will be using it as a transition shade. Be building up the shade so that it looks seamless. The shade 10% off. I will be applying that shade onto my crease and I'll be merging it with my transition shade. So you can see I'm building up that shade. I'm getting it back and forth in a windshield wiper motion, and चुटकी बजाते ही मैंने अपनी दूसरी आँखों को भी कर दिया. काश ऐसा बहुत easily हो जाता. I'm going with the shade No Beans from the palette and I'll be applying it onto my crease. मैं same ही process करूँगी. I'll be just moving it back and forth and I'll make sure that the crease shade has a bit more of depth to it. Taking the blending brush and building up that shade and making sure it's not having any harsh edges. ये मेरे साथ ही होता है कि मुझे realize नहीं होता है कि मैं out of focus हूँ. I am trying to do a cut crease here, so I'll be taking that same concealer that you saw me using earlier as my base. Taking this bright yellow shade from the palette called B, I'll be patting that onto the concealer. Like I said before, if you want the pigmentation more and you want the color to pop a bit more, never set your concealer. Just like that, I got a beautiful yellow cut crease. Give a bit more of depth to the outer V of my eye. I'll be using this black shade called Spooky from the palette, and I'm just concentrating on the outer V of my eye. You can see I'm not taking it or dragging it onto my crease. Will be merging it with the yellow shade so that it looks very seamless and it looks like both shades have blended in together. And taking a fluffy clean brush, I'll be softening out the edges. Since I felt like the crease shade was popping up a bit more and the transition shade wasn't visible as much, I went again with the transition shade and went above the crease shade and tried to blend both the colors together. For my skincare, I'll be using this L'Oreal Paris Revitalift 1.5% hyaluronic acid serum. Just a few drops of it is enough, and I'll be just gently massaging it all over my face. This just gives my skin a very hydrated and plumpy look. Been working fine for an oily skin person like me. It just gives a very natural glow to my skin and just absorbs into my skin so quickly, and it's non-sticky as well. My new purchase is a simple kind to skin hydrating light moisturizer. I've heard about it so much that I had to purchase it. It is a very lightweight and fast absorbing formula. It doesn't clog your pores, moisturizes your skin, keeps it pure and fresh. Plus point, it doesn't have any fragrance as well. And yet another new purchase of mine is the Swiss Beauty Real Makeup Base Highlighting Primer in Natural Tint. It is a dupe to MAC Strobe Cream though. It does contain the pearl powder. It is very blendable, doesn't make your face look cakey, and the consistency is creamy and blendable. It minimizes the appearance of your pores and gives you a soft and velvety finish. It is suitable for all skin types and it just makes your makeup application very very easy. Get that flawless base for my foundation, I'll be applying it very teeny amount of it onto my face, and then I'll be nicely gently massaging it onto my skin. It just glides into the skin. It has a very velvety texture and it will let my makeup stay put throughout the day. It's my recent favorite primer and I'm just doing it a little fast forward, otherwise this video is gonna be all about primer then. For my foundation, I'm taking Smashbox Studio Skin 24-Hour Wear Hydra Foundation in the shade 2.22. So I'll be applying it in dots on my face. I'm not taking much, just a bit. Less is more, right? My foundation, I'll be using this Juno & Koro's Quartz Microfiber Makeup Sponge. I'll use this damp makeup sponge to push in the product into my skin. Initially, I'll start by dragging the product, but then I'll dab the product into my skin. So I'll be doing this dabbing motion all over my face. Really like to take my own sweet time for doing my base. It's really important to set your base properly. You don't want your foundation to look cakey at all. Can you see the glow and can you see how nicely the product has blended? So this is what I really love about this foundation. It gives a very natural glow to your skin, and if you have oily skin then this is perfect for you. It is super hydrating and it doesn't make your makeup look patchy and it stays on for a really long time. Then taking the same concealer palette, I'll be taking the first and the second shade and I'll be mixing those two and applying it under my eyes. Again, I'm just doing the patting motion. I am not dragging the product and I'm just taking it under my eye. I'm not taking it anywhere near my cheeks. I don't like to take the product all the way down there, just onto the area I just want to conceal. Then going in with the same concealer shade that I used earlier for my eyelids, I'll be applying it on my forehead, on the bridge of my nose and my chin to highlight it. I just like to go again with my makeup sponge to make sure that the concealer is nicely blended. To set my concealer in place, I'll be using the same Maybelline Fit Me Loose powder. So I'll be just patting that onto the places that I've concealed and will slightly go all over my face as well. But this just helps my makeup stay put and it doesn't makes it look cakey, and it also helps my concealer from creasing. Bronzer just gives a very sun-kissed look and just goes with the name as well. It has a little bit of shimmer, but it is still fine. It doesn't show up that much. It doesn't emphasize your skin texture or anything. I'm just gonna apply it onto my cheekbones, my forehead, and just gonna go with a small brush and then go over my nose. जो मैंने देखा ही नहीं कि मैं जो nose के bridge पे लगा रही थी वो मैंने blend करना भूल गई. That is what happens when you don't look into the mirror and do it. Yes, then I'm gonna go on to my jawline as well, जिधर मुझे double chin अपनी छुपानी है. And then for blush, I'll be going with this Wet n Wild Icon blush in the shade Mellow Wine. It is a very warm, mellow, peachy glow which is natural and shine free. I'll be applying it onto my apple of my cheeks and I'm just taking it up onto my cheekbones so that it just gives a very lifted look to my face. Just to make sure that the blush is nicely blended, I will go again with the makeup sponge and just nicely dab all over it, and if there's any excess blush, it will get rid of it as well. I quickly did my liner, my falsies and my eyebrows off camera. Then for my waterline, I'll be using this Nykaa Rock the Line Kajal. I just don't understand that मैं इतनी ज़्यादा गुम हो जाती हूँ मेकअप करने में कि मैं भूल जाती हूँ कि मैं आउट ऑफ फोकस हूँ. मतलब मुझे बाद में रियलाइज़ होता है जब मैं ऊपर दिखती हूँ कि ओह मैं focus में ही नहीं हूँ. And then for my lower lash line, I'll be applying the same crease shade called No Beans. Going in with that same transition shade called Code James. It's a very soft orangey tone and I'll be applying it onto my lower lash line. Then taking the shimmer shade called Face from the palette, I'll be highlighting the inner corners of my eyes. For my lashes, I'll be using this Maybelline New York Falsies Lash Lift Mascara in the shade Very Black. I've already put on my falsies. It's the one from Pro Art. I don't remember the number. I'll be mentioning all the links below in the description box. So this mascara will basically give more length to my lashes. Look at those lashes. They are looking so gorgeous. और अभी mascara लगाने के बाद तो और ही अच्छे लग रहे हैं. And I'm gonna use this MAC sample sized प्रेप एंड प्राइम फिक्स प्लस। आप पता नहीं मैं क्या सोच रही थी कि मैं ऐसे करूँगी और वो सूख जाएगा जल्दी। तो हाइलाइटर आई बी यूजिंग दिस Becca Cosmetics highlighter in the shade Moonstone. Just like there are people those who really like applying mascara, I am the one who really likes applying highlighter. The favorite part of my makeup routine is highlighter. Oh my god, just look at that glow. This is one of my favorite highlighters, Moonstone or Champagne Pop, and I'm so happy that Becca has collaborated with Smashbox and it's going nowhere. Meant that Smashbox has opened its arm for Becca to keep some of its iconic products with them. देख रहे हो मैंने एक भी कोना नहीं छोड़ना है. I'm gonna highlight every corner of my face. But anyways, yeah, I'm gonna highlight my bridge of the nose, my forehead, my cupid's bow, cheekbones, and yeah, also my brow bone. Then for the final step, I'm gonna use this Nykaa lip crayon in the shade Lucy Luck. I remember this used to be my favorite shade when it just came out, and मैं उसको रख के भूल ही गई. And then I was just going through कि कौन सा lip shade लो, and then I came across this, and this was like the perfect shade to go with this whole makeup look. Just to top it up a bit, I'm gonna use this MAC lip shade in the shade Burn Spice. This is one of the favorite nude shades. मैं इसको सिर्फ center of the lips में apply करूँगी, and then I'm just gonna dab it with my finger, and yeah, that's it. That's the finished look. बिंदी बिना मिरर के देख के लगाओगे तो यही होगा, वो सीधे नहीं लगने वाली है. मैंने ये 2 बारी चेंज किया और वो भी फिर से गलत लगा है. So anyways, this is the final look. This is the outfit that I was wearing, and it's day 1 of Navratri. So you can go and check the yellow outfit on my Instagram reels. I'll be putting the link in the description box below, so you can go and follow me on Instagram as well. And I hope you really enjoyed this day 1 look of Navratri, and there's a giveaway on my Instagram, so please go and check that out as well. And please follow all the rules, सब rules उस पे mention किए. आपको ये channel को subscribe भी करना है तो please कर लीजिए यार. मैं आपको मिलूंगी कल इसी समय पर इसी जगह. तब तक के लिए bye bye.